Today is what's today? 3/22, 9/13, and we just hit, I know we've been documenting this month of to 30K, and we just hit a new record. We've been trying to consecutively hit 1,000 a day. So,
we've been
crushing. Look.
Last week we did 1,200 every day. Except for the weekend, but we did 1,200 every day.
What did we do today, babe?
2,000. And the only reason why this says 58 is because we have 12% taken out of every transaction for our savings to the side.
So, on our road to 30K, yes. 1,000 a day was just our minimum. We're like, can we just do 1,000 a day? Today we did 2,000. Today we woke up to $771.
Yes. Yep.
So we started our day with $771. Ended it with 2,000.
That means we made another 1,300. So we're still doing our 1,200.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It is mind blowing. What my question is?
Can you see that? Yeah.
No, it's showing really good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My question is, what if 2,000 is the new 1,000?
Well, that's the goal, because 2,000 I think is a little. 2,000 I think is a little over 500 grand for the year. If we do 1, 2, 3 times 365, that's 730,000 for the year. So we're in March 22nd today. So if we were to do 2,000 for the next, 200 days.
How much would that be?
1, 2, 3
blah,
times
blah, 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 blah.
200. Still 400,000.
That's amazing.
Not including the money that we've already made.
I love you.
And there's more than 200 days left in the year, so that's what's.
I love you.
There's
so
really
much.
probably like 250, 290. Yeah.
As we pack up our boxes.
Yeah, as we pack up our
Thank
orders.
you, sweet babies, for giving me money. I gotta ship you out. Thank you. I appreciate each one of you.
But this is real.
This is real.
Yeah, we were by our store today, and it was like, "How do you guys feel? Do you feel?" And we are like, we didn't want to be braggadocious, nothing like that.
It's hard.
We were so glad,
No, she did ask me. She's like, "Are you sad?" I'm like, "No, I'm so happy. I'm happy that the facility is getting utilized.
Yeah,
like
really
that
well.
makes me happy to know that
we're
life is being lived in that place.
1 year is down, so 4 years after June to be done with that place. I mean, if we wanted to, we could probably cut it and cut them a check, but what we made today is what it is the rent for that place, right? Yeah, $2,000.
Yeah,
so
$2,000.
$2,000.
Easy.
We made that in a day. And we used to struggle to
We
make
used to
that
struggle.
in a month, 2 months. So it's so
I'm
fun.
getting goosebumps. How real that how real. I'm getting emotional. That's crazy. No, I don't want you to record me getting
You're getting emotional.
I'm getting goosebumps. It's just crazy how this is just real life. It doesn't feel like real life yet because I don't have my Tesla, but
yeah, I know.
I'm just kidding. I'm just
yeah.
But anyways, I just wanted to document this because this is good. I'm just going to put this together for the month and be like, this is what we were going through. Today, 2,000. We were like, we're going to hit 2,000 today. And finally, 9 o'clock at night.
Oh, yeah.
9 o'clock.
These videos are good for your channel.
What, these videos, you think? Yeah. All right. Well, we got how many more days left to the end of the day? 10 days until the end of the year. I mean, to the end of the month.
No, less. Because there's only 31. No,
it's
today's
22nd.
It's about to be 23rd.
Yeah, so 9
So
days?
7 to 38, 8 days.
8 days.
7 to March 30th, and then one more day. So 8 days.
Let's see if we knock out this 20.
Yeah, we might do 35,000.
Where's my phone?
might-
You're recording with it.
Yeah. What are you looking for?
I was going to show what we've done so far for the month.
Oh, use that one.
Yeah. We might do 35 if we have more 2K days.
Yeah. Hell, we might do 40. Let anything happen. These people try to get this deal before we can say that. The deal ends, 10 for 2 ends in March. We're not going to extend it. Get them deals in.
So far, can you see this?
Yeah.
We've grossed 24. Total collected 25, but that's what we got after taxes. After fees and stuff. So it's the 22nd, and we've made $24,000 this month.
Well, collected, we did 25.8 because that's what.
Well,
counts.
that's what we collected, but with fees and stuff, this is
No,
what
I
goes in
know.
our.
I know, but still, we have to count with
No, I know.
what you collect. That's what you
Like,
count
is
as a
this real
business.
life? This is what we've worked hard for all of these years, and we're here, and it's only gonna get better.
Yeah.
It's like we're not gonna go down.
It's only the 3rd month. And we have so many more products. Like we are not even going full throttle. That's what's crazy.
Not.
We're going very slow. If we want, like tiptoeing. If we wanted to, we could definitely do 700,000, $750,000, $250,000, easy,
For sure.
easy, out of our house. Out of this raggedy house, because oh yeah, it's not raggedy. Thank you God for the blessings. But I'm just saying, thank you God. Praise be to Allah.
This is amazing. Look at this amazing space we have here. We didn't have to convert anything.
True. Yep. So
I'm so happy. I love you. I'm so proud.
leaving that store was the best decision we've ever made.
We didn't have a choice.
Making that
We
decision.
didn't have a choice.
We had a choice. But
We were
making that
leaving it
decision,
either way.
sitting down and thinking with each other, that was the best decision.
yeah.
But thank you for that store, because if it wasn't for that store, we wouldn't have had the opportunity to make the video throwing the sublimation printer in the trash.
Yeah.
It was that buddy right there that was the key
So
to
like
our
we should
success.
Take it to dinner.
Yeah, I know. That'd be hilarious.
We
if we
won't
brought it
throw you away. So
in a
we-
video. Yeah, we took it to
Oh,
dinner. Yes, that'd be hilarious.
That would be
When
funny.
we break up with it, I'll break up with it. I'm sorry, it's just not working out.
Not working out.
And then I'll throw it in the trash. That's what I'm gonna do with the Cricut machine. That's our video. I'm gonna take it to dinner and then tell it we're ending our relationship, and then throwing it in the trash.
In a public place, so they
Yeah.
don't cause a scene.
And then we're gonna go beep, and then we'll shoot the video. Psych. They're gonna be like, "Oh my God, that was so funny." So,
Oh, Theodore's messaged you.
oh, he messaged back.
Yeah. That is so
62 notifications.
21 minutes ago.
What are they trying to send to us?
You don't never check your stuff. They probably it's just
Why is it doing that? It never does it. Oh.
locked up. Locked up. All right. Well, we'll check in 8 more days.
It's your boy, Straight Outta Content. We are here in the house. Look at all these orders. I'm 6'4". These orders are almost as tall as me. This is just one day of our flash custom transfers. Guys, fast growing company, definitely in the country. This right here is going to Canada, so maybe in the world, but definitely on this hemisphere. We are the fastest growing, second largest manufacturer of direct-to-film transfers. Soon, we will be, by the end of the year, we will definitely be the largest, guys. Get your transfers now. These are all orders. Get your transfers now at flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, guys. We don't have to do this. This right here is all sales that you guys can do. You guys can flip these sheets and you guys can make profit, make a lot of money in your area. We just want to focus on manufacturing. We do not want to do the distribution. We want you guys to be the distributors. Guys, take advantage of this opportunity. We have 2 opportunities on the channel. On the website, buy 5, get 1 free. Buy 10, get 2 free. Buy 5, get 1 free. Buy 10, get 2 free. And we also have Afterpay. So this way you don't have to pay for the whole thing up front. You can pay for it in installments. And we also have equipment for all your crafting needs, guys. Again, Flash Custom Transfers. You see, I'm in just regular schmegular. It's what, 2:26 in the morning? 2:26 in the morning. These got to go out on Saturday. UPS ships on Saturday, so these are going out on Saturday. All right, guys. You know my slogan. Be basic. Peace.